All content is for educational purposes only. All content is intended for viewers age 21 or over. Comply with all local and federal laws. Results are not guaranteed and depend on individual setup.
All right, folks, today we're going to talk about black market weed because it is not worth the gamble. You know, when you buy from a dispensary, you have some idea of what you're getting. Perfectly grown buds, mostly rushed through drying and curing, destroying many of the essential terpenes with only permissible amounts of pesticides. But what about black market weed? You're trusting your health that you're getting a natural, clean product, but are you? Government reports from seized black market cannabis tells a very different story. What they're finding are two kinds of dangerous additives, the one added due to greed and one's added due to negligence. Let's talk about the intentional adulterants that are added due to greed. First, you have synthetic cannabinoids. Things like spice or K2 are sprayed onto low-quality hemp to make it feel powerfully psychoactive. These chemicals are dangerous, unpredictable, and can be deadly. Weight additives. To make the bud heavier, producers have been caught using sand, sugar, talcum powder, and in some documented cases, even tiny glass beads to increase the weight and mimic the look of trichomes. Appearance enhancers. Hairspray has been used to make old weed look sticky and fresh. None of this stuff is good to smoke. And if that's not bad enough, the contaminants you can't see are even worse. Pesticides. Illicit growers are notorious for using hazardous, unproved pesticides, and as we've discussed in previous videos about permitted levels of pesticides in dispensary pot, smoking trace amounts of pesticides is not the same as eating them. Heavy metals. Cannabis is a hyperaccumulator, which means it's great at sucking up whatever is in the soil, including lead, mercury, and arsenic from contaminated ground. Black market growers are probably not purchasing fresh organic soil to grow their weed, so it's full of whatever is in the ground, including heavy metals, which are also not good to smoke. Then there's microbes. Because of improper drying and curing in unsanitary conditions, black market weed is often full of mold, E. coli, and salmonella. Black market weed is definitely not worth the risk. Folks, this is precisely why we founded Quantum Pot Grow. We believe the only way to ensure 100% purity and quality is to take control and grow your own. Our gold standard system teaches you how to create a Connoisseur quality product that is 100% pesticide-free, perfectly cured, and devoid of any contaminants. You know exactly what is in it because you are the one who grew it. Unless you move next door and become best friends with a connoisseur grower, this is your only real solution. Moving is expensive, dispensary weed is expensive, but home growing is not only safe, pure, and legal, it is absolutely thrifty. Visit quantumpotgrow.com and learn more. Thanks for watching. If you found this information valuable, please like and subscribe. It helps spread the word. As always, do not smash the alert bell as we don't publish anything here on an emergency basis. And the last thing you need is me adding to the hundreds of alerts you get every week already. Thanks for watching. See us next week.